Hey everyone, this is Show Jack 00 here, and welcome to another unboxing video. In this one, we're going to be having a look at the Vamps single, Last Night. So here's CD 1, CD 2, and a DVD. So if we put CD 2 and the DVD aside, we'll have a look at CD 1. Oh, got a bit blurry, hold on. Here we go. So here's CD 1. As many of you know, Last Night was the third single by the Vamps, and last one before the album, although it would be followed by another 2 singles, Somebody to You and Oh Cecilia, Breaking My Heart. But anyways, here's the front of CD 1. Here's the side and the back, along with the disc, along with the CD. Up the top, have a look at the songs. So there's the single, Last Night, along with their cover of Surfin USA, originally by the Beach Boys, an original song, High Hopes, which is featured on their Meet the Vamps album, and their cover of Story of My Life, originally by One Direction. So that was CD 1, and let's have a look at CD 2. And here is CD 2. So as you can see on the front, we have James and Connor. Here's the side, and the back cover with the CD. We have the top. Have a closer look at the songs. So there's Connor doing the main vocals on Last Night, and there's James's cover of All I Want, originally by Kodaline. Yeah, that's it. So we've quickly looked at CD 2, and now let's have a look at the DVD. And here is the DVD. As you can see on the front this time, it has all 4 members of the Vamps. So here's the side, and the back cover along with the DVD. So you open it up, have a take a closer look. So on the DVD, as you can see, there's the Last Night music video and another Carry On Vamping documentary entitled Carry On Vamping on Tour, which is basically a 20-minute documentary about the Vamps during their mini European tour. And it's also featured on the last 20 minutes of the Story of the Vamps documentary on the DVD edition of Meet the Vamps. So anyways, that's the DVD done, and the 2 CDs, and that was the Vamps single, Last Night. Well, that's it for this unboxing video, and this is Jack 00 saying bye.